Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. There are 5 reasons why I love going to the lake. Relax. It is a great place to unwind, watching nature, reading good books, or just soaking up some rays. The lake wind in your hair, the sound of the water against the side of the boat, it's so calming. It's a peaceful place for me. Sunset. The beautiful hues of pink, purple, or orange of the beautiful sunset draw you in as you relax. Every sunset is an opportunity to reset. It's a promise of a new tomorrow. Unplug. Spending time at the lake is a perfect time to unplug because many times lakes don't get the best reception. It's fun time to be close and enjoy nature. Adventure. No matter what age you are, you can have fun in or by the water. Whether it's tubing, lakeboarding, jet skiing, paddleboarding, floating, kayaking, swimming, or fishing. The options are endless. You will surely have fun. Memories. There are countless memories you can make by the lake. The lake gives families and friends an opportunity to spend time together and have fun away from the daily grind. Why do you love the lake? Where is your happy place? Just remember, enjoy every moment and have fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. Or click one of these videos. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye!